You can make this very pretty chandelier using a A4 size yellow paper, a scissors, a pen, a scale and a glue stick. Take the A4 size paper and fold this into half along the width, and then make a 1 centimeter wide margin line on one of the open ends. Now draw parallel lines all along the length of the paper. These lines will be about a centimeter apart. All the lines have been made. You can open the paper and you can see that this is actually very simple to make. Now start cutting from the fold to the margin line. Don't go beyond the margin line, and cut all the parallel lines. Now this is the cut paper. You can open this and you will see a series of parallel cut lines. Take two opposite corners, apply glue and stick them together, and your chandelier is almost ready. In the slightest breeze, it will sway very elegantly, and if you were to hang it by a thread in a breeze, it will spin around very, very beautifully. This is simple to make and extremely elegant.